Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this is how to create custom morph transitions in PowerPoint. So, as you can see, to begin guys, I already have a shape over here. And in order for you to do that, just simply first is right click on the slide and make sure to duplicate the slide. And from here, just simply go ahead and put the square, let's say, onto the next face. So this will be the face 2, let's say. And from here, just click on the square and go for transitions and go for morph. And as you can see, you will have a transition over there. And now let's do that again. Just right click on the slide and go for duplicate slide again. And now let's move it up a bit. And now we are going for page 3. So guys, your design will be depending on your presentation. And from here, just go to transition again and make sure you have the morph toggled on. And from there, you can just keep repeating it, guys, and just keep on moving the square to move it to another face. And when we go to the presentation mode, guys, as you can see, we will be able to have the morph design. And as you can see, we have made this custom animation. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.